There are so many animals in the world. Let's learn more about them. A rooster. A hare. Well done! Now you know what these animals are called. Let's find out what sounds animals make. A hare goes. A rooster goes. Awesome! All animals are in their places now. Let's see what animals eat. A hare eats carrots. A rooster eats grains. Well done! You fed all the animals.